In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Reels in Framer. By the end, you'll have a vertical, Reel-style video placed on your page and ready to preview. All you need is your Framer project open and a video file or a link to your Reel. Start by opening Framer and loading the project where you want the Reel to appear. Once you're in the canvas, look to the top toolbar and open the layout options. From there, choose the video element. This is Framer's built-in video component, which makes embedding media fast and consistent across your site. Click and drag the video element onto your page. Drop it roughly where you want the reel to live. You can resize it using the corner handles so it matches a vertical aspect ratio. Think portrait, like a typical reel. Don't worry about getting it perfect yet, you can fine-tune in a moment. With the video layer selected, glance to the right-hand side of the interface. That's the Properties panel, and it's where you'll control everything for this video. Find the source setting. You'll see options to use a URL or upload a file. If you already host your Reels somewhere reliable, you can paste the link. For this walkthrough, choose Upload. Click Choose File to open your file picker. Then select the reel you want to use and click Open. MP4 is a safe bet for compatibility, and keeping the file size moderate helps with performance. After it's added, adjust the video on the canvas as needed, position it within your layout, scale it to fit the frame, and align it so important content isn't cropped. Aim for a clean edge-to-edge presentation if that suits your design. When you're happy with placement, head to the top of the screen and click the preview icon. This switches you into an interactive view so you can confirm the reel loads and plays as expected. If something looks off, exit preview, tweak the size or placement, and check again. That's it. Your reel is now embedded in Framer and ready for the next steps in your design.